Car jumper cables are essential for restarting dead batteries and ensuring emergency roadside vehicle assistance. My today's video is about top 5 best car jumper cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AutoChat car jumper cables, these 30 feet heavy-duty jumper cables are a reliable emergency tool for any vehicle owner. Built with zero-gauge thick wiring and capable of handling up to 1000 A, they are suitable for both gasoline and diesel engines, including trucks, SUVs, and smaller cars on 12V or 24V systems. The extra-long 30-foot length provides flexibility in difficult parking or roadside situations, making it easier to connect vehicles safely. The strong alligator clamps feature sharp teeth and powerful springs, ensuring a firm and secure grip during use. The insulated rubber coating adds an extra layer of safety by reducing the risk of electric shock. Designed for extreme conditions, these cables perform reliably in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the tangle-free build improves convenience during emergencies. The thick vinyl coating protects against rust and corrosion, while the included carrying case, gloves, and brushes add extra value. Overall, this is a durable, safe, and dependable roadside essential. Now our second product is Cartman car jumper cables. These 20-foot jumper cables are a reliable and practical emergency tool for any vehicle owner. The patented clamps are covered with non-conducting rubber, ensuring safe handling during repeated use and making them suitable for both top post and side post batteries. Built with high copper content CCA wiring, they offer strong electrical conductivity and efficient power transfer, helping to jumpstart vehicles quickly and safely. The 20-foot length provides excellent reach, making it easier to connect batteries even when vehicles are parked in less convenient positions. Designed for versatility, they work well with full-size cars, vans, pickup trucks, and even freight vehicles. Their performance in low temperatures down to -25 degrees Celsius -13 degrees Fahrenheit makes them especially dependable in harsh winter conditions or emergency roadside situations. Overall, these jumper cables combine safety, durability, and convenience, making them a smart addition to any car emergency kit for reliable performance when it matters most. Our third product is Noone car jumper cables. The Noone 20-foot jumper cables are a well-designed and reliable solution for emergency vehicle starting. Built with premium flexible wiring and a thick vinyl coating, they deliver strong conductivity and can handle up to 600 A of instantaneous current. They also perform well in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making them dependable in all weather conditions. A standout feature is the Smart 7 protection system, which includes an LCD display to monitor battery voltage during charging. The reverse polarity protection adds an extra layer of safety by preventing damage from incorrect connections, with a clear warning indicator for user guidance. The UL-listed clamps are thoughtfully designed with non-conducting rubber for improved safety, durability, and drop resistance. With a 20-foot length, they offer excellent reach for a wide range of vehicles including cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks. Overall, this set combines safety, smart technology, and convenience, making it a trustworthy roadside emergency essential. Now number 4, Powerbest car jumper cables. The Powerbest zero-gauge 30-foot jumper cables are a powerful and dependable solution for emergency battery situations. With a 1000 A peak current capacity, they are suitable for jump-starting both gasoline engines up to 8.0 L and diesel engines up to 6.0 L, making them highly versatile for different vehicles. Built with high-density copper-clad aluminum cores, these cables ensure strong conductivity and efficient power transfer even in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The thick double-layer rubber coating adds durability and improves resistance to wear and tear. The heavy-duty clamps are well-designed with strong grip teeth and reinforced springs, ensuring a secure connection. Their non-conductive rubber covering helps reduce sparks and enhances safety during use. The 30-foot length provides excellent flexibility and tangle-free operation, making it easy to connect vehicles in tight or difficult positions. Overall, this is a durable, safe, and high-performance jumper cable set ideal for emergency roadside use. And our last choice is Energizer car jumper cables. The Energizer 16-foot jumper cables are a compact and reliable emergency tool for jump-starting weak or dead car batteries. With 6-gauge copper-clad aluminum wiring, they provide solid conductivity and work well for trucks, SUVs, and both mid-size and compact cars. The 16-foot length is ideal for everyday roadside use, offering enough reach without being overly bulky. The cables remain flexible even in extreme cold conditions down to -40 degrees Celsius, making them dependable in harsh weather. Durability is another strong point, thanks to the thick vinyl coating that helps protect against rust and corrosion. The strong spring clamps and comfortable handles make it easy to connect securely and safely during use. A convenient carrying case is included, allowing for neat storage and easy portability in your vehicle. Overall, these Energizer jumper cables are a practical, well-built, and trustworthy choice for drivers who want a dependable emergency backup solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video, Cartman.